In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how much the BlephEx can clean your eyelids. I've got my bride Allie with us today. This is Allie Heffington, and she actually has her makeup, eyeliner, everything that she typically wears on a day-to-day basis. We're going to be doing the BlephEx on her just to demonstrate how much eyeliner and makeup this can actually take off, but also clean your eyelids. I'm Dr. Bryce Heffington, and let's begin. If you want to come over here with us, we've got these little disposable, they look like Q-tips, but these little disposable tips soaking in this little foam right here. We leave them there for about 30 seconds, but we do dispose those after every patient use, as well as clean the instruments off. But we've got Allie's eyes numbed up right now. We went ahead and did that before we started recording. So in a few moments, we're just going to kind of clean and scrub the eyelids and demonstrate how much biofilm, eyeliner, all that the BlephEx can actually remove to actually give the eyes a clean feeling sensation. So then now, once the tips have been soaking in the little antibiotic disinfectant foam, grab my fingers off there. We're going to start with Allie's right lower eyelid first. You ready, love?
Yeah.
Okay. All I need you to do is just lean back, look up to the ceiling as high as you can go, and zoom in on this if you can, Sarah. So watch as this little BlephEx clears the eyelids right here, this lower right eyelid, and starts to clean some of the eyeliner off as we do a clockwise and then a counterclockwise passing. So that's some of the eyeliner that got removed. Not all of it, but quite a bit of it. And then we'll just go do the right lower or right upper eyelid. Next, just look down toward your toes for me. Doing great, love. Now, obviously, you can just keep going on this all day long, but the point is just to demonstrate how darkened that tip was, because before we started the video, it was completely white. Now, it's got a blackish appearance to it. And we can still keep going and remove all of it, but the point is that it removes a lot of biofilm, dead skin cells, and eyeliner and makeup. So now we just have the right eyelid done. Now we'll just move over to the left eyelid, left eyelids. Can you feel a difference with your right eye versus your left eye currently?
Mm-hmm.
What differences do you feel?
I guess it just feels cleaner.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't feel like I have mascara.
Yeah. Well, you're missing more now on the right eyes, right eyelids.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm just going to have you tilt your head to the right towards me and look up as high as you can go. We'll just go get that right lower eyelid here. Shout out to Sarah for getting some awesome camera angles on this. Thank you for that. And look up actually as high as you can. Get this back the other way. So that's more of that eyeliner removed. Now we'll go get the left. I don't know my right from my left now. We'll go get the left upper eyelid now. Look down toward your toes for me. Good. So yet again, you have a very black and BlephEx tip from as much eyeliner and stuff that it was able to remove. And now we just dispose of them. And that's how the BlephEx works, as well as just getting rid of the biofilm, hardened oil glands, stuff like that to help the eyes feel better. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for notifications to stay up to date on the latest content we release, as well as learning more about your eyes. I'm Dr. Bryce Heffington. We'll see you next time.